In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix Discord app not working. Now if your Discord is crashing or lagging, first off, head to your App Store or Play Store for Android to see if you have the updated version of Discord. If not, please update. It might resolve the issue. You may also want to fix the app glitches and bugs. Simply head to your phone settings. Select on General. Here, head to iPhone Storage. In the search bar, search for the Discord application. Head to it, and then click on Offload App. You want to confirm by clicking on Offload App. You don't have to worry about losing your data or anything, but rather fixes the app glitches and bugs. Get back and tap onto the Discord app. Eventually, your Discord will start working normally once again. Well, that's how easy it is to fix Discord not working. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.